Drivers behind your lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
Welcome back from lunch, everybody. We're right back into the mix with qualification match 16. Both alliances with one note already in their speaker. 59-62 and 85-67, adding a couple more. Red off to the early start. As we move into the driver-controlled portion of the match. The Intimidators quickly finding a note out on the floor and going to drop that into the amplifier. Big Bad Bob, they're going to look to see if they can find a note out around the floor, either bring that out to their amplifier or to the speaker. 61 lined up with that amp again. That drops in. Persevere, note after note here for the Red Alliance. Trying to get that all the way into their robot so they can launch it off into their speaker. Intimidators picking up another note from their source. Hammerheads now making their way over to that subwoofer, getting lined up with the speaker. And that's up and in. Blue Alliance looking to answer back this early lead from Red. Couple more notes, one goes in, one falls short. Team Ultraviolet now dropping off a note into that Red amplifier. Making those available to use for amplification or for the cooperation bonus. Big Bad Bob launches another note up into that blue speaker. And now the red speaker is amplified. 85-67, gonna line up, see if they can get some amplified notes in. That's one up and good. There's another from the Intimidators. Red Alliance taking advantage of that amplification, getting those bonus points on their notes. Under a minute left now. Big Bad Bob being met by Persevere. Both teams trying to get to the opposite side, trying to find their way over to the sources so they can pick up more notes to get into their speakers. 42-21 now. Red still with the advantage. 6 notes away from that melody ranking point. Hammerheads now picking up a note off of their source. Bringing that back over to the blue wing. 20 seconds left to go. Looks like that note might be considered for a trap. We'll see if they have the tools they need. It's so close on that spotlight from the human player for the Red Alliance. Intimidators are up. 2 robots parked for Red. Blue trying to find their way onto the chain to get on stage, but only a couple seconds left, and time will run out. 49-27 is your score. Red Alliance pick up those 2 ranking points for the win.